All right, so this video is going to be about the interquartile range. All right, and these are going to be box plots. That's what they're called. They're box plots. And a box plot looks like this, right? They look like this. There's a box that contains 25% of all the values, and there's another box that contains 25% of all the values, and that contains the maximum, and the minimum number is going to be on the left-hand side. All right, it's like, for example, we're going to be finding the interquartile range. Inter means between, quartile means they're divided into quarters, and range is a number. All right. So for example, let's find the median. The number that's right in the middle, there's 5 numbers, so the number that's right in the middle is 50. All right, so we make a little line there. Let me make it here, 50. All right. All right. So let's find the median on the left-hand side. What's the number in the middle between 50 and 0? 25, right? So that's the lower bound. And what is the number between 50 and 100? 75, right? All right, so let's make a box on the left and a box on the right. The max value is going to be 100, and the min value is going to be 100. All right, so let's find the interquartile range. We're interested in how many numbers are between 75 and 25. So the number of numbers between 75 and 25, I don't know why I put 50, it's going to be 75 and 25 there's 50 numbers in between. So that's what it means. How many numbers are between the upper quartile and the lower quartile? These are also known as quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3. All right, so how many numbers are between quartile 3 and quartile 1? 50. So the interquartile range is equal to 50. That means there's 50 numbers between 75 and 25. All right, well, what about when you have like a bunch of numbers? Like all these numbers that they're already ordered for you. What is the interquartile range? All right, so let's make a box plot. Let's find the number that's right in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 numbers. So what's 11 numbers? And we're going to be cutting it in half on the left and the right hand side. So there should be 5.5. So there should be 5 numbers on the left of the median and 5 numbers on the right of the median. All right, so it looks like if there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, the median is going to be 22. So right here, that's the median. All right, we're not even going to consider 22. So let's consider all these 5 numbers. What's the median of these 5 numbers that are between 14 and 22? Between. All right, so it looks like 16. 16 is right here. And what about these 5 numbers? What's the upper quartile of those 5 numbers? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so the median number is 28. All right, so let's make a line there. We said that was 16. All right, so let's make our box. And the other box is going to contain 25% of the data is going to be from 22 to 28. The maximum number that I see is 32, and the minimum number I see is going to be 14. All right, so remember I said this is the lower quartile is known as quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3. All right, so how many numbers are between 28, which is the upper quartile, and the lower quartile, 26? So the numbers that are 28 minus 16, the difference is 12. So it looks like there's 12 numbers between 28 and 16. So the range, the interquartile range, the numbers that are between, inter means between, these 2 quarters, and the range is going to be 12. All right, so it's big, the upper quartile minus the smaller quartile. And that's it. I hope this helps.